Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this one I'm having a go at getting this big dent out of this near side wing on my car. So first of all I need to get this wheel arch trim off so I can actually get behind to lever on it. I've got a bit of a PDR kit, just a cheap kit off eBay that I'm going to have a go with. I'll just use the little plastic crowbar to pull the white clips off to get this arch trim off. And then there's a few bolts under the front of the cover. Pretty straightforward. Now I'm just warming up the paint a bit with my blowtorch very carefully, just so it doesn't crack when I lever from behind. I'm just using the end of a rubber hammer just to gently push it out. It's quite badly creased, is this dent. It's a bit of a technical one for the first time having a go at this paintless dent removal, but we'll see how it goes. I'm just giving it a tap on some of the creases, on some of the high bits, just to ease the pressure so I can pull it out a bit. It's not going to be perfect, I'm just trying to get it somewhat back to how it was. Get the main creases out, and it's quite badly damaged near, right on the headlight. You can just see around the edge of the headlight. And I have an LED, like the stripy light tool, but doesn't really work outside. It's not bright enough, so I'll have to use that when I can get it in the garage to get the fine dents out. I'm just sort of doing this bit racket eye really, just to get the shape, get it as close as I can. I'm struggling with the headlight in the way now, so I've just undone a few bolts around the headlight and round the front bumper, and found out it's a big job to actually get the headlight fully removed. I'll have to remove the whole bumper off the front to get to the bolts, and I don't have time to do that on this occasion, so because I need the car. But I've just managed to prise it out of the way a bit so I can just get in behind this this dent. Get it somewhere near now, so I'm just bolting the headlight back up and the bolts back in the front bumper. And I'm going to have to leave it for another time when I can get it in the garage with me stripy light to get the fine dents out. Have another go at it. But it's somewhere near. It's a lot better than it was. not ideal for the first go at it. It's quite a difficult one. You can see I've got the shape somewhere near now. It's just very ripply. It wants a bit of time spending with the LED light, but the shape's there.